It's finally spring in Kamloops, and that means it's the perfect opportunity to get out and explore my backyard. No racing, no competition, just riding bikes on some of the best gravel roads in BC, all in one big loop. This is my cousin Jon. We found bikes around the same time in life. Although we don't get to ride together very much these days, we found a free day and he's made the trip to Kamloops to tackle the tour. The Kamloops Gravel Grand Tour is just a silly name I put on a route that ties 8 of my favorite local gravel roads together in one big ride. It's not the biggest or hardest ride, but it's probably my favorite.
We're stopping at the lovely and wonderful Grant's house, and he's making us custom breakfast sandwiches with home smoked back bacon, espresso. Cannot wait. It's a little bit steep. Still eating my Sour Patch Kids. I'm still feeling fairly good. I gotta admit, I looked at my kilometers traveled a bit ago and I was like, how is this possible? But it's been climbing most of the way. At this point, we are done a third of the climbing. But I'm feeling good, man. This is a beautiful route. Amazing.
It's kind of crazy because it feels like you're going through so many different zones. Like at one point, I felt like I was up in the mountains and there was a little bit of snow, and then the next minute I feel like I'm riding through the middle of Wyoming or Montana.
Climb was a lot, but it was well worth it. The descent was amazing. Some of the most beautiful landscape around. It's getting a little warm now, so I'm taking off some layers. Just about to start the Robbins Range climb. This is Robbins Range Road, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it'll be good. Telling myself, I have it in the tank. I expect maybe to recover by next weekend. There's a lot of negative chatter in my mind. Do a little more training before you go for a ride like this. It is what it is. I remember you saying, make sure you do 350-kilometer rides before you come out, which seems reasonable. I did too. I always have good intentions of getting off the couch and doing an epic ride, and then this happens. 2 left. This is gourmet. And then pepperoni cheese steaks. Mistakes were made. I'm already full. I feel good. Just hoping it's not short-lived. I gassed it up that last bit thinking like, we're at the top! We're not at the top. I already named my Strava. 2/3 Johnny. I'm like, no word of a lie. That is what I was going to call it because I was going to quit down there. It's funny now. It wasn't funny then.
Before we rode the route, I was not sure that I could complete it. There were a number of points throughout the ride where I was confident that I would not complete the ride. I was feeling totally taxed. I didn't feel like I had any energy left. It felt really good to push through that and complete this ride.